You know when you look good, you feel good. Operation making stuff look like somebody isn't full of it. Step 1 is done. This is my leave out for the flip over method quick weave. This is my braid down. I just got my sister to put 4 braids in my head. Now, how I prep for my quick weaves. So these are my 2 products of choice. All right, the first layer is on and it's dry. I'm gonna put my cap on. All right, now second layer of the Mega Freeze spray going on. For the Super Hole spritz. One more time. And it's time for me to lay them tracks, baby. Which I really can't lay them now. But girl, I want that Super Hole. That's what I'm coming to get. Now what I'm using is a bunch of scrap hair that I had in my hair bag, and I dyed it all black. So all the scrap hair that I wanted to use, I dyed it black. And I'll start with this trick. Back to the mission at hand. Operation get these tracks on here, girl. Using this Salon Pro 30-second glue. When I tell y'all it's stuck, it's stuck. That's that spritz that make that glue just clink clink to it, yeah. Press it down. Second one on. I ain't got no eyes in the back of my head, so I know it won't be perfection. But baby, it's on and it's secure. And that much I do know. I mean spray. I'm gonna just spray right here on my part. Well, it's almost time for that. Transform on you, girl. Oh, seeing the vision come alive. Start getting excited. What y'all think? Flip over method quick weave. Real quick. Took me an hour to do. I think I look halfway cute. Just give me a little minute. Operation, make myself look like somebody is complete. Ooh, and I feel good. You know when you look good, you feel good. You look like somebody today, girl. I like that about you.